1 of Dakar Daily. What a way to start day 4. Welcome to day 10.
What a way to start the day.
We are racing again from La Paz to Uyuni, from Tupiza to Salta, from Belen to Chilocito. Just incredible pictures from this year's rally. Bryce Menzies out of this year's Dakar Rally.
We're good. That's the car for you, so.
Sam Sunderland was forced to stop with a back injury. Sadly for Sam, his Dakar is over.
Continued for 5 kilometers, but then he had to stop because he could not manage the pain.
Matthias Borkler now leads going into stage 11. Nikolov looks set to dominate Villagra. They were separated by just 1 second. Leader of the car, Stefan Petterhansel, sustaining considerable damage to his Peugeot 3008 Dakar Maxi and has dropped well out of contention. It's rare that we get 2 Dakar legends together at the same point. I know you're good friends.
We were good friends before.
Petterhansel is the king of the Dakar. He is fast, intelligent, and like a desert fox.
The king of the desert in the mud is not good.
I still do it because every time I sat in the car and have a big smile and I have the motivation.
Disappointed to be out of the race and at the same time feeling lucky that I can be back to what I love to do already, you know.
What's the secret?
What's the secret? I would like to know what is the secret.
You want to know?
Yeah.
Peru is home to complete charm.
Tobes, can we pop in for a bit? Am I going to find anything I shouldn't find?
Oh, don't tell that's not true.
Here are Toby Price's underpants there. Mate, this is disgusting. You need to tidy up your animal. Kamaz is a household name here. They have won the event 14 times, but these trucks are no normal vehicles. Take a look at the size of one of the tyres. To give you an idea, I'm 6 foot tall.
Everybody absolutely loves the trucks. I'm in the driver's spot. I'm the co-driver. Now, I'm the one you might not know about. I'm effectively the cockpit engineer.
Now, this is KTM's support truck. It's a 6x6. A lot of the Dakar support trucks are retired race trucks. Without the support trucks, this event simply wouldn't happen.
So that is it from San Juan de Marcona.
Make sure you join us tomorrow.
What a mammoth day it's been. Make sure you keep up to date with us using the hashtag Rally Dakar and Red Bull Motorsport. The Dakar Rally 2018 has been absolutely fantastic.
From Alex and myself, goodbye.